Welcome to the Carter Car Care Detailing channel. Today we're going to be going over how to perform a touchless wash using a foam cannon. To start, we're going to need to fill the foam cannon up with snow foam. The foam cannon I'm using is the MJJC SV3. The shampoo I'll be using is the Meguiar's Hyperwash, which provides a good amount of foam while being pH neutral. We need about 2 ounces of chemical for every 800 milliliters of water. It's a good idea to shake the mixture to get the best foam. Then we are going to begin foaming one side at a time, making sure you get all the surfaces, including the wheels and tires. Start at the top and work your way down. The foam will lift the dirt and the grime and any pollen from the surface and safely drag it off the surface without needing to touch it. After finishing the first side, we will work our way over to the other side, and again start from the top and work our way down. This kind of wash is only really suitable for vehicles with light to medium amounts of dust and dirt. If there's more than just a little bit of dirt, you're going to want to use a higher pH snow foam, something like Geon foam or the Built Hamber Touchless wash system. However, since this vehicle is washed every other day, just a basic pH neutral soap will work just fine and won't damage the ceramic coating, waxes, or anything else that you have on it. After we finish foaming the panels, it's time to rinse. I like to start from the top and work my way down, but it's usually recommended if you want to try to save water to start from the bottom and work your way up. That makes it easier to keep track of where you've already rinsed. As you can see, this vehicle sheds both the foam and the water quite quickly. This is the result of the Geon Mohs 3-year ceramic coating that makes the vehicle very easy to clean. This is because nothing wants to stick to the paint. The rinse process takes a bit of time as I'm using a low-flow GPM Ego battery-powered mobile pressure washer setup. The 1.2 GPM is enough to get the job done, but it does take a bit longer than a non-mobile setup. Also, you might notice the water jugs. I have a 15-gallon water tank inside the car, but to avoid getting water sprayed inside where the hose is sticking out, I need an external source to connect my hose to. After we rinse the surface, it's time to dry. Remember, always use a car drying towel, never a bath towel or a beach towel, as that will scratch the paint. I always start from the top and on the side that's closest to the sun to prevent water spots. And working in Phoenix, it's very hard to avoid those water spots. The sun just beats down and bakes the water onto the surface. But if you keep the surface wet until you're ready to dry, that should help significantly. Also, having a drying aid such as a wax or a ceramic sealant will disperse the water much quicker and also help prevent those water spots. When drying, it's very important to be light with the towel to help prevent swirls. Also, we don't need to worry too much about getting every single crack and crevice, as we will be coming back for those later with detail spray. After the drying step, we move to the glass cleaning step. The chemical I'm using to wash the glass is a 1-to-1 dilution of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. This cleans better than normal glass cleaner, is completely safe on tin, and is extremely economical. And as an added bonus, it disinfects the surface while not leaving any streaks. I like to use the tube towel method when washing glass. One towel to do the actual cleaning, and then a glass-specific waffle weave towel to do the drying. The actual process is simple as framing the window and just filling it in. This makes sure there aren't any missed spots. And if you do a vertical pass on the outside and a horizontal pass on the inside, it makes it really easy to notice where any streaks are located, if you get them at all. You will notice the IPA solution is not staying very long on the glass. That is because I have a ceramic coating on the glass as well as my paint. This makes driving in the rain very easy as the water doesn't stick to the glass to obstruct the view. I always recommend glass coating to customers for safety and ease of cleaning. Once we go around the vehicle and get all the glass, we can then move to the detail step. When you drive the vehicle the first time, it is inevitable that the cracks in the doors, the trunk, the hood, and also the side view mirrors will retain a lot of water. That water then drips down the freshly dried paint and can leave water spots if not attended to promptly. We just need to use a detail spray to provide lubrication as well as a little bit of light cleaning while drying to avoid scratching the surface. Once you get all the spots that need attention, you're done. This was a simple, touchless maintenance wash, best for cars that aren't super dirty. The next wash I will be covering is the rinseless wash method. This is best used if you're needing to perform a contact wash without the risk of scratching the paint. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.